In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log emails in your CRM using the BCC or forwarding address inside HubSpot. This is one of the simplest ways to keep your contact records updated without installing any extensions or changing your email workflow. If you send important client emails and want them automatically saved inside HubSpot, this method is going to save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you understand both options, BCC logging and forwarding, and when to use each one. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, we need to find your HubSpot BCC and forwarding addresses. Log into your HubSpot account and click on the Settings icon in the top navigation bar. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you see Objects. Click to expand it, and then select Activities. Inside the activity settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled BCC Outgoing and Incoming Address. Here, HubSpot will display two important email addresses. The first one is your HubSpot BCC address. The second one is your forwarding address. Go ahead and copy both of these addresses somewhere safe, because you'll be using them whenever you want to log emails manually into your CRM. Now let's talk about how to log an email using the BCC method. This is perfect for new emails you're about to send. Open your email application, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or any other provider. Click Compose to start a new email and enter your contact's email address in the To field as you normally would. Write your subject line and message just like you usually do. Now here's the important step. In the BCC field of your email, paste your HubSpot BCC address that you copied earlier. Make sure it goes into the BCC field, not CC or To. Once that's added, simply send the email. When you do this, HubSpot will automatically log that email on the contact's timeline inside your CRM. If the contact already exists, it will attach the email to their record. If the email address doesn't exist in your CRM, HubSpot can automatically create a new contact for you, although this setting can be turned off if you prefer not to create new contacts automatically. This method is extremely useful because it allows you to continue using your normal email app while keeping HubSpot fully updated in the background. Now let's look at the second method, which is forwarding an existing email into HubSpot. This is helpful when you forgot to BCC an email or when you want to log a past conversation that already happened. To do this, open the email you previously received or sent in your inbox. Click the Forward button. In the To field of the forwarded message, paste your HubSpot forwarding address that you copied earlier from the activity settings. Then simply click Send. HubSpot will analyze the forwarded email, including the original sender and recipients, and log it to the matching contact records in your CRM. This ensures your past conversations are documented properly without having to manually copy and paste information into HubSpot. And that's it. You now know how to log emails in your CRM using both the BCC method for new emails and the forwarding method for existing ones. Keeping your communication history organized inside HubSpot helps your entire team stay aligned and gives you a complete timeline of every customer interaction. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.